मैं तैनू समझावांगी ना तेरे बिन लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूँ इंतज़ार तेरा तो दिल तू यूँ जान मेरी जान मेरी जान मेरी. Hello, my name is Amulya Joyce. I am a fourth year student pursuing BE in Information Science and Engineering. I am from Shimoga and I aspire to be at a good position working in a very good company in the nearby future. I was very sure that the education which is in Mangalore is really good. So I was seeing through the colleges in Mangalore and some of my relatives had already studied here in Canberra and I got a very good feedback. So I thought Canberra should be the best choice for me and I came here to study and yes, it was indeed the better choice. Coming to the academic environment, it has been really good. So I'm basically studying in fourth year right now. Be it be teaching, be it be the guidance which they have been always been providing in a monthly basis or weekly basis, mentoring us. So it has helped a lot in achieving academically. So we have a mentor-mentee connection here at CEC. That is for each group of 10 or 15 students, we have been allotted a lecturer from the department itself. So I would definitely say that the mentor-mentee relationship is important because mentor has been really helping us to, they have been guiding us in the training, in the placements, be it be the academics. We have occasional 15 days once the one-to-one interactions between them. In my final year, I got placed into a company with the role of associate software engineer. So it was like a dream come true for me to get into such a beautiful company. And yes, I would like to thank the CEC placements and all the faculties and the mentors who have been throughout guiding me to get placed into a company. My hobbies do include singing. I love reading novels and I also love speaking, like anchoring and sort of that. So I love being on stage and speaking. So these are some of my hobbies which I really love enjoying. Infrastructure at CEC has been really good. Be it the sports, I would say there is a badminton court, the sports or the gym area. It is the sports activities keeps going on and it is always engaged. And also the most important thing is the greenery here at CEC, which is very peaceful. It is apart from city, but this is something which is peaceful and where you can enjoy and be with the friends. So this is my first time being far from home and staying in hostel. Initially I was very nervous, but here once I came to the CEC hostel, I met a lot of good friends, which was like my second family. And all these 4 years, I've really enjoyed a lot with my friends, and the hostel life had been really amazing. Canberra Engineering College has helped me in my personal growth, be the confidence which I've got, be the communication skills, the teamwork, or the technical skills, etc. It has helped me grow in a very good way. So when I go out of the college, I'm pretty sure that these things which I've learned in the last 4 years will be really useful. So I'm really proud to be Canberrite and I'm really proud to be and happy to be in the Canberra Engineering College. Thank you.